Hi everyone, hope you will be enjoying happy life. Another interesting quickie math video is here for you. Square root of 4% divided by 1/4 is equal to what? The student's percentage mean 1 by 100. So 4% mean a square root of 4 multiplied by 1 by 100 divided by 1 by 4. So it will become 4 multiplied by 1 is 4 divided by 100 divided by 1 by 4. Now square root of 4 will be 2 and square root of 100 will be equal to 10 divided by 1 by 4. Now we will apply KCF rule. K mean keep it. So first one is kept itself. Change it, it will be changed into multiplication, and flip it, it will become 4. So 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. So the answer will be 2 multiplied by 2, 4, divided by 5. Thank you.